Hi guys, I'm Dan. This is my first video loadout. Let's start with the pouches. I got triple AK-47 pouches. I use these to hold M4s. Got my speed loader just so I can put BBs in my magazines. On my right, I got a loop that's holding my sidearm. This is just temporary. I plan to get a drop leg hoister and put my sidearm there on my leg. On my right side, I got my utility pouch. So I use this to hold BBs. Just put it back there. And on my left, I got dual M14 pouches. I use these to hold my sniper rifle magazines, which is like this guy right there. And my dump pouch, obviously, to put my empty magazine in there. On the back, I got the hydration carrier to stay hydrated. That's all I have for my loadout. Oh yeah, by the way, I got the admin pouch to hold magazines for my. I use this to hold extra ammo for my sidearm right here. Oh, see. Oopsie. So this is all I can say to show about my loadout. I'll be talking about my guns later on. So see you next time.